Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you the power button function setting on this SHAPR Smart TV following this instruction manual. And now we are going to test with the actual TV together, and let's see how it works. Okay, and this TV model is the 32-inch model, and the model of it is 2TC32EF2H. So if you use another model, the function may be a little bit different from this model. Okay, and if you use the same model, the power button will be located on the right hand of the TV if you face in front of the TV, and it will locate here. Okay, you can see here is the power button. We can control left, right, up, down, and press in the middle to click OK. Okay, now I put one of my camera phone on the back of the TV, and we will let's see together. Okay, now when the TV is in off position and it have the power supply to it, you just press one time to the power button and the TV will turn on. And when you press up button, it will show the channel, different channel, up one channel, and when you just press it down, it will turn the channel to the lowest number. Okay, another option, when you press to the right, you will see the volume up, and when you press to the left, you will see the volumes down here. Okay, and when you long press the power button, you will see some menu appear on the screen. You can select setting, okay, I press it again, and to select you can just press left, right. If you select this one, it will turn off the TV. Okay, just one click and one click back, it will turn the TVs on. So you need to wait until you can see this LED turn on, and we just press one click and the TV is now turning on. Long press, the setting this appear on the screen. You can select by press OK to the setting, and now you can go to the setting menu by select this one by one. Okay, and to get back, just press to the left button and it will back. Okay, hold on again, and this one you can select the source, input source. Now we in the ATV, antenna TV. Okay, you can go to digital TV, AV, or we can go to HDMI or USB. Okay, now you can go to home screen by press long press, and then we go to home screen. And in this function, do not select Netflix. If you go to Netflix, I already tried, we cannot get back. Now let's test for you. If you press OK on the Netflix, and now the control function on this button is not workable, and when you press it, hold on for a bit longer, there are no setting appear. So we need to use the remote control to turn it back. Okay, so now we try to go to YouTube, okay, by this function. So the app is not controlled by this power button, so you cannot use the power button to control the app. So we need to use the remote control once again. Okay, now I turn off the TV. Okay, and I think that's it. That is all the function of this control key power button for this SHAPR Smart TV, and I hope you got the point. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.